Hi baby, I'm Rachelocoolmua. I'm a pro makeup artist and we are back with the eye shapes, finally! I took a little break for the holidays, but don't worry, we are back to do eyeshadow, eyeliner, and lashes for your gorgeous round eyes. Round eyes are so incredibly beautiful. You have such an amazing opportunity to really play up the doe-eyed baby doll look. Like, I'm not gonna say jealous, but a little bit. I am definitely envious of round eyes. I'm envious of all the eye shapes. I wish I could switch out an eye shape every day and try them all on myself. We're going to be using lines, shadows, shapes, and colors to enhance, accentuate, and balance your beautiful round eyes. This is the 5th part of our 6-part series on eye shapes. Go check out my playlist on my channel to see all the different eye shapes. We got a little off track there for a second, but now we are back on our Wednesday, Sunday schedule. If you are somebody that likes to use makeup to balance and enhance as opposed to correct and cover up, then you are in the right place. So I'd love it if you subscribed. Come on, take your shoes off, stay a while. Let's get comfy. Please give this video a like if you liked the video and you want to boost it for me. That'd be awesome. Make sure to follow me on my Instagram and my TikTok. I post different content on all 3 platforms, so you know I'm putting in the hours. Alright, and without further ado, let's get to the round eye tutorial. Let's go. This is my beautiful round-eyed model, Hannah. She has round, prominent eyes, so that is what we are working with today. So gorgeous. You already know the drill. We're going in with a fluffy brush into a skin tone shade all over the lid. This sets any primer and concealer, lets our eye know, hey, I'm coming in with a shadow, evens out discoloration. Really, you should be doing this every time you do your eyes. Next, with a flat shader brush into this ColourPop quad. Usually I use the Mario palette, but I think cooler tones would look better on her. So I'm going in with this mid-tone shade all over the lid, just up to the crease. This is going to help with the prominent eyes, evening out the lid space. So I'm just sweeping that all across the lid. Next, I am taking a pencil brush into a shade about 2 shades deeper than the mid-tone, this gray right here, and I'm just going to be hugging the waterline all the way into the inner corner. This is really going to accentuate the round eye. Once I get to that outer corner, though, I'm going to follow the lash line up and then take that color into the socket of her eye. Not her lid crease, but her socket. This is going to lift the eyes up. To enhance the roundness, I am taking that crease all the way in, making the highest point in line with her pupil. That's going to bring it up, and then to bring it out and elongate the eye, I'm really going to sweep that outer V out towards her temple, and this is going to bring the eye up and out overall, making the eye bigger. And then I am just shading about 1/3 of the way in to really create that dimension, that 3-dimensional look in the eye. Here I am on the other side again, bringing that deeper shade just slightly into the eye to really create that dimension. Next, with a fluffy brush into that first mid-tone shade, I'm just going to be blending everything together. Always be blending. A, B, B, always be blending. Look at yourself, blend. Do a thing, blend. Always be blending, because this is really what is going to make your look more elevated and professional, as opposed to like, I don't know what I'm doing. When you think you haven't blended enough, go back and blend one more time. I'm just saying, it helps. Next, I am taking a flat brush into that first skin tone / highlight shade, and I'm going to be putting that in the middle of her eye in line with where her pupil would be, basically on the ball of her eye. Putting this highlight shade here is going to really create a beautiful dimension, a really cool 3-dimensional look, create a nice sphere if that's the look we're going for. It really, really makes it a little pop there. Going in with my pencil brush in that definer shade, I'm just going back everywhere I put it before, creating that dimension and that definition, and honestly, going back constantly and adding a little bit, blending it out. Here I am blending it out. Adding a little bit, blending it out is a way to super, super elevate your look and make it look professional. Next, with my QUARTZ palette into these shimmer shades here, I'm going to be adding that in the same place I put the definer shade, just in the middle of the eyelid on the ball of the eye. Again, creating that beautiful round dimension, enhancing that round shape. Now I am taking that in the middle of the under eye, and this is really just a cute little way to enhance that roundness in line with your pupil. It just gives that super cute, defined, dimensional look. Look at that, come on. Next, I'm taking a flat, dense brush, but you can take an angled brush, into a gel liner. It's easiest for beginners and easiest for me. I am just going to be following that shadow line, that first shadow line we made, and drawing a line up. How easy is that? Then I'm going to be taking it all the way into the inner corner. Round eyes, man, I am so jealous because you can handle liner that goes all the way to the inner corner. I look crazy, but it looks so beautiful on you. Remember, if you want to accentuate the roundness, keep it the same thickness all the way through, but if you want to elongate, make it taper in at the inner corner, thinnest at the inner corner. That'll really elongate your eye. Look at how gorgeous! Oh my god. Now I am just taking that a little bit to the under eye, just hugging that under eye to really accentuate the roundness. Then I'm taking that pencil brush in the first mid-tone shade and surrounding that shimmer again to really create that round dimension. Next, lashes. Okay, here I am measuring the lash on her eye. I was so shocked.
My eye always kind of use the whole thing.
I was gonna say, wow.
Yeah.
Wow, your eye can use the whole thing.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Lucky friggin' you.
Yeah. I got the round eyes, you know.
Once again, I'm jealous because I always have to cut my lashes, but her eye could take the whole thing. There was even room for more. Then I'm placing the middle part of the lash down and then pinning the ends. And look at that, it looks so good. Her eye can handle it, like, ah! Next, I'm taking this dental floss and I am going on the under eyes, really making sure the lashes are pulled down. This is going to open up the eye and accentuate that dolly kind of look. Okay, this is a little bit of a bonus. Every time I see her at a party, I'm like, what are you wearing on your lips and cheeks? What are you wearing on your lips and cheeks? It's such a beautiful color. It's this e.l.f. little stick thing, this chubby stick. It is such a pretty color, and I think it complements her skin tone perfectly, so I wanted to put that in there. But that's it, we're done. Oh my god, look at how gorgeous she looks. I think she looks so incredibly beautiful, enhanced, and it just looks so good. Like, I was actually screaming. She looks so good. Okay. Alright, there we go. That's round eyes. Woohoo! Like I say in every video, this is just a blueprint of an everyday look that you can take and play with. Add stuff you want to add, take away stuff you didn't like, really make it yours. I really hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you did, I would love if you considered subscribing, maybe, and following me on my Instagram and TikTok for more content like this. I'm so happy to be back talking to you guys. I really did miss you a lot, and I miss interacting with you. Like, you guys are all so nice, so cute, so fun, and you're all my friends, and I love you. Okay, I hope you have such a good day, and okay, bye.